Hey guys, while I'm swapping propane tanks here, I just want to take a moment and show you the toolbox that we've had mounted to the tongue of our travel trailer here for probably about 5-6 years or more. It was one of the first things we kind of added to this trailer. We wanted some extra storage up here to be able to store the stuff for hitching up the trailer to the truck. And in order to do that, we had to relocate our battery, which was fine. We relocated him up here. This is a Group 27 RV Marine battery you'd buy it anywhere, any auto parts store, Walmart, whatnot. And we relocated him in there. I have battery tie downs to hold the battery down, keep it from jumping around. This right here is the part number of this toolbox in case you're interested. If I can still find it, I'll put a link down below for it. But it's a 48-inch wide toolbox. If you're looking for a bigger battery box, you could easily fit 3 at least, if not 4 batteries in here. If you weren't looking for just having the extra storage, but we love just having the extra storage up here in front when we're hooking up and stuff like that. So if this helps you out, go ahead and make sure you like the video. And until next time, guys, we'll see you on the road.